Hey guys, we're going shopping. Hop in.
Oh.
Hello everyone and welcome. If you're new to my channel, my name is Caleb, and on here you're going to find a lot of things like luxury shopping, reveals, reviews, unboxings, luxury travel, daily vlogs like this one. And if that's something you're into, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. Give this video a thumbs up and say hi to me down in the comments. Now, today is Sunday, March 20th, and earlier this week I did spend a few days in the hospital. Lovely 2-night stay at a luxury resort. No, but in all seriousness though, I did have a small bout of appendicitis, and I'm still going through it. I'll have, the surgery here in, I think he said like 6 to 8 weeks, which can't wait. Anyway, so that's a little update on that if you follow me over on Instagram. I'm doing much better. I'm not like 100%, but like I'm feeling so much better than I was. It was not a fun experience. Zane's nodding his head. Anyway, so today it is a gorgeous day out. We're going shopping. So last night I was bored and I was scrolling on Instagram while Zane was editing Sunday's video, which it's March 20th, was the look back at bags I've lost, which if you haven't watched yet, link down in the description. And I came across Stop Shopping Virginia on Instagram. I've been following her for a minute and I absolutely love her page. So go give her a follow. I'll link her down below as well. She has great style, an amazing bag collection, tons of Coach, really cool pieces. So give her a follow because she's amazing. And she was at the Coach outlet, I think with her nephew. She was showing off one of the Coach X Champion collab bags. I was like, oh my gosh, I completely forgot about that collection. So I told Zane, I'm like, we're going to the outlet tomorrow. And he didn't protest, so here we are. We're going to the outlet to hopefully snag something from this collection. There's a particular bag I wanted, so I'm hoping they still have it. This outlet normally doesn't come through for me. It's a little too busy, but what can you do? Anyway, it's just gonna be so much fun to get out and about and shop. We're gonna hit Rosemont Outlet here in Illinois, which is kind of funny. It feels like we came to the Rosemont Outlet a lot more when we lived back in Indiana as opposed to living 20 minutes away. Would you agree with that?
I would, but I think COVID,
yes. COVID has really slowed us down, or I think we have to call it the plague, the virus. We can't call it what it is on YouTube for some reason. I guess not. I don't know. I mean, maybe. Anyway, so that has slowed us down and getting out quite a bit. So today we're getting out. It's a beautiful day. I'm ready to shop. I am carrying for the first time my Louis Vuitton Etoile clutch. Super excited. It's so freaking cute, but it literally has my Ophelia card holder in it. Zane's BMW key, just the key, not like the house keys or anything. My Chanel lip balm and my Shiseido blotting papers. And I'll just put my phone in my pocket because A, if I'm filming, I don't want to like dig in and out of a small clutch. B, when I'm walking around and waiting in lines, I'm going to want to get on Instagram, catch up on YouTube and things, and can't do that if it's tucked in my bag. So there's that. Okay, I've rambled enough. Let's go shopping. Hey guys, so we made it to the mall. I want to eventually do a more in-depth Rosemont video for you guys, so let me know what questions you have down in the comments, and let's go shopping. Hey guys, alright, so we were both a little bored. I'm sorry, this bucket hat makes me feel like I'm screaming. Everything's like reverberating back down into my ears, so it's a little annoying. Anyway, so we both got a little bored with shopping, not gonna lie. Zane, shake your head.
I did.
Okay. Coach, huge bust. That Rosemont Outlet, if you're looking for Coach at the outlet, that one is a huge bust. So I usually recommend going to the Aurora outlet, which is 20, 30 minutes away?
It's like 45 minutes.
45, I guess. Okay, that's the thing. They'll get more like the Coach Reserve, like, like the full price deletes, whereas the Rosemont store, not so much. It's like all MFF, made for factory. So unfortunately, they did not have any of the Coach Champion collab. This outlet's failed me twice already. So remember when that J-Lo, which I'm not a big J-Lo fan, I said what I said, don't hate me. The J-Lo furry Nikita or whatever was out and everyone like had to have it. Mine was sold out. I called them, rushed after work one night, and they're like, oh, we just sold the last one. I'm like, I literally just called you 10 minutes ago and you said you had it. Anyway, not better. I ended up finding it in Spain and then I didn't want to drag it home. So shame on me, I guess. If I really wanted it, I would have bought it. So I'm totally rambling again. But I did get a super cute visor at Coach. And then we stood in the not as ungodly line at Gucci. It was actually not that bad tonight. I think we were in what, 30, 40 minutes?
Oh, 20, 30.
20 to 30, Zane said. And I bought some ready to wear for you guys. So we are going to go, I have a return to make at Target. Whoa, glamorous. Something I bought with Apple Pay like 30 days ago, so wish me luck. I hate making returns. Anyway, so we're gonna try and do that, pick up dinner, and then I'm gonna clean up because I'm a little gross, not gonna lie. And then I will get on and film a sit down unboxing for you guys. So we have the Gucci ready to wear, the Coach item, and another Gucci purchase that I made from the Rebag. Now, if you guys haven't already, check out my article on the vault over at Rebag. They did a little profile on me and my bag collection, I guess, on their vlog. So check that out. Link is in the description as well. And I'll see you guys in a little bit. We're home. All right, you guys. So I picked up some amazing stuff at the outlet, and I have one more item that I completely forgot I ordered that showed up in the mail yesterday. So I'm going to share that with you guys too because it's too cool not to get represented on the channel. So let's unpack and do an unboxing. All right, so let's start out with the biggest item from Gucci, of course. I am a sucker for Gucci runway and ready to wear. Now, this particular item, the tag says it was out in 2020. I looked through the Vogue online app to try and see which runway it was a part of. Couldn't find it. So there's a lot of like undershirts under like jackets and blazers and things that are like a similar color, but I'm not gonna be like with the definitive like, yes, that is my shirt because I don't know. Anyway, I need to do some more research. All right, so let's dive in. So this shirt, I'm not gonna pretend it's like, oh my God, it's gorgeous, it's beautiful. It's kind of ugly, which is why I wanted it. And it's also on sale, so hello. So like I said, it's from the 2020 collection. I don't know if it's spring, summer, autumn, winter, but it's just a plain blue bowling shirt with GG embroidered here on the pocket. It's not particularly glamorous. It's not like, wow, amazing. I just wanted it. It was just so ugly I had to have it. I'm not sure how I'm going to style it, but I have a few ideas, so sit tight. But the drama. So we went to the outlet, we came home, we had an amazing dinner. I was all excited to start, filming the unboxing for you guys so I can start rotating some of these things into my wardrobe. Took the shirt out and there's a small hole in the back, which was annoying. So I called the outlet. Of course you can't return, you can only exchange, and you only have 2 weeks to do so. So thankfully the outlet is like 20 minutes away from where we live, which is amazing. Before when we were in Indiana, it was like a 3-hour drive, which wouldn't have happened. I would have been stuck with a shirt and a hole in the back. Very glad that I figured all that out. I was also able to go up a size. So the shirt that I was able to try on in store, I mean, it fit. I need to lose some weight, but I was able to go up a couple sizes, which I think is appropriate when it comes to a bowling shirt because they're supposed to be just like big and baggy and silly looking. I'm thinking I would really love to get my hands on some like really baggy Janko jeans. Remember those? I loved those as a kid. However, they don't make the right inseam size, so I'm gonna have to figure something out, but I want like kind of like a fun 90s grunge vibe to go with this shirt. So I'm gonna switch into this and then we'll do the rest of the unboxing. And there we are. What do you guys think? Tacky and fun, right? I'm here for it. Let's get down to the numbers because I'm really good at that. All right, so this shirt was originally about $680 and I was able to snag it for only $170. Not a bad deal, right? In the vein of Gucci, let's continue with this theme. I bought something completely superfluous and absolutely over the top and I'm here for it. So let me show you guys. So this is actually from Rebag. So I had a credit from Rebag. There was a spring code. So I mean, duh, obviously I had to buy something. And these ended up being like next to nothing. And they're so fun. They just come in your typical Gucci box, tissue paper and whatnot. I got the Gucci sweatbands. These are going to be great with tennis season coming up. I'm an avid tennis player. I mostly just go and watch Zane, but that's beside the point. And I'm here for it. So these are super cute. I can't remember when these came out. I mean, they've been out for a minute. They're not new by any means, but they're just simple green and red. I love the vintage styling on them. And it's going to totally mess up my hair, so you're welcome. These are giving me like Bjorn Borg, John McEnroe vibes. We are here for it 100%. So I just have the Gucci GGs on the one wrist. And then of course here off to the side of the head. I think they're cool. They're kind of a flex and I'm excited to get out on the court and wear these maybe for a photo op, not to actually play in because I mean, who plays in their Gucci? Okay. in the realm of headwear and things tacky and fun, I bought something at Coach. I originally went into Coach and I was like, you know what? I don't even know what I was looking for. Oh, the Champion. Okay, so like I said, Stop Shopping Virginia was able to find some of the Champion pieces at her outlet, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna give it my best shot, and maybe Rosemont will come through, and like always, complete, utter, total bust. I don't know what it is about that outlet. It failed me when I wanted the silly, what was that? Nikita, the furry Nikita that came out last winter, the shearling. I ended up finding it in Spain, but then I was too lazy to buy it and bring it back to the US. I just thought that sounded silly, so whatever, my loss. And again, they failed me on the Champion. So little tip, if you're looking to buy like something important at the Coach outlet, skip Rosemont, drive the extra 40 minutes out to Aurora, because that seems to be the one that actually gets stuff. I found my Basquiat scarf there, a couple other little pieces that Rosemont didn't have. So pro tip, drive to Aurora. Anyway, so enough rambling. So the item that I got, this is giving me Y2K vibes. In middle school, I loved these, and I don't have any anymore. Well, I do now. I bought a visor. A signature visor. So this was originally marked at 98 USD. We all know I didn't pay that. It's the outlet, so I'm sure I got 30. Well, I have a receipt here, right? What did I pay? Okay, so a little too much. I paid $75.63 after tax, I guess. And how cute is this? It's cute, it's tacky, it's fun, it's everything I'm here for, all my vibes, wrapped into one thing. How's that? I mean, obviously I'd wear my hair straight with this, not curly hair, but I think it's cute. I'm here for it, right? What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. I haven't cut the tags yet. Will I return it? No, probably not. I'm too lazy to drive back to the outlet to return something, but well, let me know what you think. So the final item of this unboxing, let's get into it. Probably ordered this about a week ago, completely 100% forgot about it. I got a message from the package room yesterday morning. It's like, hey, your package arrived. I'm like, don't remember buying anything, but then I saw the label and it was from Converse. Now, normally I am not a Converse fan. I think, don't slay me down in the comments, but I think the Chuck Taylors were really overdone in the early 2000s. All I can see is like the red ones with like the jeans that are too long and like threaded out in the back. Like millennials, you know what I'm talking about. I haven't had a pair of these since I was like probably in elementary school, but besides the point, these were too cool to pass up on, and I'll probably order them in more colors, quite honestly. All right, so I ordered the Runstar Motion platform shoes. And these they're cool. They're so cool. So they're actually, I mean, I felt like a giant today. Well, I'm 6'7" without these on. So imagine how I felt with them on. I was probably closer to 7 feet. I don't know. Anyway, these are so cool. And honestly, they're really comfortable to walk in. I just wore these out to lunch and then when we popped into Target about an hour ago, and I absolutely loved them, and I'm going to be ordering them in all the colors. You know me. It's no secret, I love multiples. So obviously when I find something as amazing as this, I think these are $129 before tax, you buy multiples. I mean, duh, hello. All right, so today let's recap. We went to the outlet. We had a massive failure with the shirt, had to return it in exchange, which wasn't that big of a deal. We bought a sweatband set, hashtag Bjorn Borg vibes. We bought a visor, and some Converse shoes. This is the most scatterbrained unboxing, unveiling of all time on YouTube, I'm sure of it. Everything from Gucci to Coach to Converse. If ADHD were a video, this would be it. I'm not gonna lie. Anyway, you guys, once again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I am planning on redoing, so I've already done a couple Rosemont videos for you guys, but I wanna do like one really in depth, like where to park, what stores to hit, what restaurants are there, hotels nearby. So if there's anything about the Rosemont outlets here in Chicago that you want to know, let me know down in the comments, because I'm probably going to be reshooting that here this summer. It was a popular video here on my channel and it could have been better, so we're going to improve on that one. In the meantime, find me over on Instagram, caleb.snell.designer. Yeah, that's it for this week's video. So until next time, stay safe, have fun, and I'll see you in the next one. All right, you guys, bye-bye.